Hi guys, hi my fellow June bugs, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got an exciting video. Oh my god. As those words come out of my mouth, I'm just like, girl, you literally say that every video. But anyways, today guys, I really do have quite an exciting one because it is a handbag unboxing, a true handbag unboxing. Like, these don't come by very often for me because I always just have to open it then and there, but this literally just came in as I was ready to film another video and I just thought, perfect, I'm going to film it right now and I'm going to share with you guys what I got. And this actually is a bit of a nervous unboxing because I may not have followed some of the rules that I normally typically do, but it was such a good price that I really could not pass up on it. And yeah, I'm really excited to share it with you and share my true reaction with you guys, so do stay tuned for that. But before I start, I just wanted to welcome anyone who's new here. Hi, my name is June. I am a doctor by day, but I do love making videos on YouTube about handbags, luxury goods, and sharing with you guys my latest handbag obsessions or my latest handbag purchases. So if that is your cup of tea, I would love for you to subscribe and join my little YouTube family here. And if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It would really help my channel out. So I have the box. Here it is. I literally haven't opened it. It is from a Japanese consignment seller. You guys know I love my Japanese consignment stores. I really want to go to Japan eventually when all these lockdowns are over. That's like one of the top places I want to go to straight away, as well as Europe. But that is a bit of a travel ramble. Yeah, so this is... I'm so nervous. I really am, because I don't know what I've signed up for. Okay, anyways, I've got it here. So this bag I've sort of been hunting or being on the lookout for ever since I went to the Chanel boutique. If you saw my unboxing, you probably have a bit of an idea of what I'm talking about. It wasn't necessarily the bag that I was looking for, but more the color. And then I saw this bag and I really just could not pass up on the price, and I kind of just had to jump on it. I did purchase it from Rakuten, which you guys know, like, I've purchased from before. However, from a personal seller, it wasn't like an online store. So although the pictures look legit, you just don't know. Like, I saw the bag, I saw the pictures, I saw that the seller was pretty good, and I kind of just bought it because I just knew that this opportunity wouldn't come around again. So anyways, that is my little ramble about the bag. Let's actually open up the bag and sort of talk a bit more about it. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys ready? So opening up the bag, you can see it is a Chanel bag right there. All right, there's the box. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. That's the box right there. Opening it up. You guys ready? Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I should open it with you. Okay. So it comes with this dust bag, which is, as you can tell, very vintage. So it is a vintage bag right now. Okay, you guys ready? Please welcome my latest addition to my handbag collection. I already see it. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. You guys ready? Oh my gosh. It is my Chanel Square Mini in the gorgeous vintage white color. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys, she is stunning. Okay, I'm just like nervous as heck. Okay, let me just take a second. Okay, so I just had to take a minute to have a look at all the details of this bag, but I don't know if you can tell, it is a Chanel mini flap in the square, in the white lambskin leather, and this is a vintage style from 1989. It's coming up pretty light on the camera, but it is a beautiful off-white color. So I have to say I'm a bit disappointed because I honestly thought that this bag wasn't going to be recolored, but obviously it has been, and it sort of like they failed to mention that. You can sort of tell from like touching the leather, it's definitely very different to a non-colored bag, but in saying that, they've done a pretty good job recoloring this bag, and you are going to be hard pressed to find a Chanel classic flap in the mini that is going to be like not colored, unfortunately. So this definitely went to a bag spa, I can definitely tell that. But this is actually from 1989. They have the original stamp from the like boutique store in here. So it was from, I think, June 1989, which is pretty cool. And it is actually in really good condition, all things considered. You do have wear and tear on the corners, which you probably can't tell that they've touched up. What the seller probably did is they probably just touched it up before they resold it. The overall condition of the bag is actually really beautiful, and I kind of felt like there was a possibility that it would be recolored, but that's the chance that I took. The bag itself though was priced relatively good for the condition and all the accessories that came with it. A lot of the bags that I saw priced for this much didn't come with the box, the dust bag, and like the authenticity card. So I really felt like I lucked out finding this. This is probably going to be one of those pieces that I won't wear as often, but as you guys know, when I went to Chanel, I really was looking for a Chanel white flap, and I kind of was like, you know what, I really would like a vintage version, and so that's why I found this. And I really think that the color of this is quite beautiful. It is like a creamy, it's hard to tell on camera, but it is a really creamy off-white color, and I think that that's a more beautiful color than true white. I'm pretty happy with this purchase overall. I am disappointed that it's sort of not its true color, but they have done it really well. Like, I genuinely feel like they did a really good job because the color is very spot on. Yeah, they definitely touched it up. I mean, you can definitely tell they've touched it up. Like, I really can't be too mad because it looks stunning. Like, it looks really good for its age. The condition is amazing. Obviously that's what happens when you touch up these bags, but then also saying that it is really hard to find a bag for this age in really good condition, and if you do find it, it's really expensive. I actually would have loved to get a caviar version, but they are so expensive, like in this vintage style. So they're like pretty much the same price as a brand new one, if not more, which is insane. So I don't know how this bag is going to go in terms of color transfer. I think it's just one of those bags that I'm going to have to wear when I am wearing really light colors. I do want to get a top handle for this. I think that would be really cute to wear. But yeah, I'm so excited to share this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's so cute. I don't have a white sort of classic flap. I do have like a seasonal flap which is white, which I do love, but I'm excited to have this. Okay, so I thought I'd just share with you guys what this looks like on me. The stripe is actually quite a good length. I have a feeling that the original seller may have shortened the strap, because I know these bags are supposed to be a bit longer, so she may have shortened it when like she got it repaired. I'm not 100% sure, but actually I am loving like the size of this bag. Like, this is a really good length for me, so I'm actually not too mad about it. I'll just show you what it looks like compared to my normal square mini, which looks like this. So let me just share this. This is what my new mini looks like, and this is what the vintage mini looks like. So they're actually very similar lengths at the moment, but this is actually supposed to be a lot longer. So looking at it, I really do think that the seller probably shortened it to fit them originally, which honestly I wish they disclosed, but I'm not too mad about, because I am quite petite, and for me this bag is such a gorgeous piece to add to my collection. The color is absolutely stunning, and I have actually wanted to add a vintage square mini to my collection for a little while now. I thought about getting like the black in the lambskin as well, and honestly if I find one for a really good price I might actually add it, but I'm pretty stoked to have this in my collection. She is absolutely a showstopper, especially in the colorway. Like, it just pops with any outfit. So I'm so excited. So if you haven't seen one of these vintage minis before, basically this is what they look like. They're quite different to the normal square mini which I've got now. So the normal ones are a bit shorter. This is quite a lot taller. It's a lot skinnier as well. And then if you look at the bottom, so this one's a lot fatter, but also you can see it is a lot shorter in height or width or whatever. So this tends to be like a little bit more square and a little bit thinner, which does mean it sort of lays on you crossbody a lot nicer. So some people have really preferred the vintage mini because it is definitely a look. Like, if you have one of these in like the vintage caviar leather, they are going for an extortionate amount of money. It's crazy. So I kind of wish I jumped on it when I was looking at minis before, but I'm really happy to add this one in my collection. She is in really beautiful vintage condition. The price of this bag, I purchased this for 4,500 Australian dollars thereabouts, including duties, taxes and shipping. I think that's a pretty good price for this bag. You will rarely find a Chanel flap like this for that price on like the pre-loved market, and especially in this condition, even if it is refurbished. I think it's just one of those things that you have to sacrifice if you're looking for a light Chanel bag. They are more than likely going to be repainted or refurbished, and if they're not, you are definitely going to be paying a pretty penny for them. So I am excited to share this and add this to my collection. Let me know what you guys think. I finally scratched the itch for a Chanel vintage mini flap. Really stoked with it. I really want to get a top handle. Actually, be right back. Okay, you guys, I've just added on the strap that I was talking about. So this strap I got from HRH collection. This is what it looks like with the top handle. Really cute, but I do know that there are other places you can purchase these top handles for that are more affordable and not so expensive, but this is what it would look like if you sort of wore it. It is cute with a little top handle on its own, and it does mean that you can carry it on the crook of your arm. You don't have to sort of wear a crossbody and have this rubbing on your bag. But yeah, that is my latest Chanel handbag unboxing slash reveal. Do let me know what you guys think of this bag. If you want to see how I would wear this bag, please go and check out my Instagram. But also, if you want me to do a handbag comparison between the vintage style and the newer style, please do let me know. I'm more than happy to do that. But that is it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with anyone who is also a mini lover or a vintage Chanel handbag lover. As always, hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.